follow my own advice. Eat a little less. Move a little more. Eat lots of fruits, vegetables, and grains, and don't eat too much junk food. It needs plenty for eating and occasional junk food. I am a Muhammad and I am of class 4. Is here to generate. Some basic points of health is about our health and our diet. My dear friends, our physical health is directly affected by the food that we give to our bodies. If we put junk and fast food in our tummy, we stay skinny for a while live. As diseases and problems to deal are for whole life that our body can produce and need. On the contrary, if we put fruits and vegetables there in our body, then the results are for whole life. And do you know, my friend, there are some nutrients that our body can produce and needs are for health. For health functioning, certain nutrients such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium, iron, etc. are needed. Subhanallah, Allahu Akbar.